Hello friends! Today I'm introducing the Qidi560 Moore M7 off-road RC plane, the ultimate flying experience. This 4-channel brushless remote control airplane is designed for thrill seekers and aviation enthusiasts alike. With features like automatic balance control, you can effortlessly maneuver up, down, left, and right, making it easy for pilots of all skill levels to enjoy. Plus, its high-efficiency brushless motor provides powerful performance with quick responses and fast locking. Equipped with a 3.7 V 500 mAh lithium battery, the M7 offers approximately 15 minutes of flight time after just a 30-minute charge. Experience a remarkable remote control distance of up to 200 meters, and with the added signal and voltage return features, you'll always know your plane is safe and sound. Constructed from durable EPP material, this RC plane is built to withstand tough conditions, making it perfect for flying in winds up to level 5. Plus, the flight control system includes dual receiver conversion sockets for versatile compatibility. And when the sun goes down, the light control feature lets you illuminate your path, with flashing lights on the wings and steady lights at the front and rear, allowing for spectacular night flights. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, the Qidi560 Moore M7 off-road RC plane promises an exhilarating flying experience. Take to the skies today.